Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Erinmoles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. How Ologbón, intelligence, came into the world. Story. ÄTÀRÚPỌ N MÉYԻ, also known as OLOGBÓN MÉJÌ, reveals how the faculty of intelligence came into the world. This revelation is preserved in the names of the Awósè or Ifa priests, who were his celestial diviners. Their names are revealed in the following poem. Ologbón, logbón, kista, kaka omi, omoron, moron, ekaka yekpe ode okbitan. Ekbitan mun ekata borojade lewa. When Ologbón, intelligence, was coming into the world, he was told, "No one can be skillful enough to scoop water with their clothing. No one can be so intelligent as to cut the sands of the earth. No wise person can know enough proverbs to reveal their own secrets through parables." It was also Ologbón Méjì who revealed how Orunmila and the other deities returned to the world. Before delving into the details of these revelations, it is important to mention some of the known works he performed in heaven.